Remove the power from the Glacier. Remove the suction line from the tubing coupler. Loosen the thumb screws to remove the liquid detector cover and the pump housing cover. Remove the pump tubing from the Glacier. It can be helpful to rotate the pump rollers by hand in this process. Pull the pump tubing off of the bulkhead fitting. It can be helpful to remove the cap on the flow meter port prior to reinstalling the pump tubing. Replacement tubing is available in bulk rolls of 10 feet and 50 feet lengths. Each bulk roll includes an instruction sheet that shows you how to properly measure, mark, and cut your replacement tubing depending on the sampler model and the specific bottle configuration. Follow the instructions for your specific sampler model and bottle configuration to determine where to mark the replacement tube. Starting at one end, apply the first installation mark. Then measure to the second installation mark. And finally, measure and mark the overall length of the replacement tube. After the installation and overall length marks are in place, cut the tubing at the overall length mark. Starting at the bulkhead fitting, route the tubing through the bottom groove of the liquid detector base and through the pump. Push the tube through the pump rollers. It can be helpful to rotate the pump rollers by hand in this process. Reinstall the liquid detector and pump housing covers and tighten the thumb screws. Reinstall the tubing coupler and reinstall the flow meter port cap. Reattach the suction line to the tubing coupler. Reapply power and then turn the unit back on. To test the pump, press the number 3 key, then enter to pump forward. Press the red stop key. Press the number 1 key to pump in reverse. Press the red stop key. Enter in the code 6398823 from the Glacier user manual and press enter. If the pump tubing warning has already occurred prior to tubing change, you can select View Log and enter through the information provided by the Glacier. After entering through the View Log menu, the tubing counter will be reset. Pump tube replacement is now complete.